In the time of chimpanzees, I was a monkey. Butane in my veins, and I'm out to get the chunky with the plastic eyeballs. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. The MOJO Day Trading Show, the MOJO Room for today. How's everybody doing? Got the daily goal going. Show you the market. Right now we're up 44. We were up 100 before. Quite an exciting, stressful but patient and strenuous, testing the nerves of the traders today in the MOJO Day Trade Room. And what we do, and we went 4 for 4 the hard way today. 3 for 3 other trades, which we went small on. One they burned me on, and the other one was a grind on, and I'll show you all of them. So right now for the daily goal, we traded, it's 12:30. We traded UVXY, REN, THLD, and CPRX. Don't take my word for it. Let's see how traders did in the room today. And they'll take the poll. And otherwise, show you what we've done. Had quite a morning. UVXY traded up here and sold this morning. Pre-market. I'll show you in the MOJO Day Trade Room. It was the first trade of the day. It was a bounty trade play pre-market right here. UVXY small at no, this was the bounty at 19. I did one earlier. My cost was 1970 from last night, holding into this morning. It was up pre-market. It went pre-market to right here, and I sold it up into this rally into 1990 from 1975. And then from there, it dumped right here. And it came all the way down. And when the market opened right here at 9:30, we started to take a position in it. And it did nothing in this period of time. People said I was crazy for buying it into that dip, into the low of 1842. Because I started at 19, my average became 1863. And right here, the stock went through it and it tested it 5 times right here, 1863, 1861, 1860. They knew I had it at 63, and they tested me for a very long time to see if I was going to sell it, and I didn't. So they took it up higher, and I sold it there. And then they tested me again for a very long time, and I didn't sell any, and it went up higher again, and I sold it. So the patience paid off, and I managed a trade for the traders that was a losing trade. And I had a free pass day, and everybody was himpering and hollering because I'm a crazy and I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm buying UVXY averaging down when it's a downtrend and the market was up 100. Well, the market's not up 100 anymore. I told you yesterday in my Periscope video that I know a guy that trades Intel. It doesn't matter if it's up or it's down. Hit every single day. Some days you have killer days in it. Some days you don't do so great in it. But as long as you make money every day in it, that's what counts. And the win streak stayed alive in the MOJO Day Trade Room. Okay? And that's what we did. So they know where I own the stock at 1863.64. They know that. They knew with REN that I bought 1,000 shares at 1980. And they held it here at 1980 and 1950 for quite some time. And I said, you know what? After we sold UV at 90 just now, I'm going to sell my REN, hold 200 shares, sell 800, move the chips off REN, and start to buy UVXY again because I want to buy up to 3,000 shares. And in order to do that, it's not marginable. It's 1-to-1 at a lot of the firms. You need 18 grand to buy 1,000 shares. So I sold REN and it spit on me and it ran $1. So I made an extra $100 instead of I lost 500. by going into UV. Okay? So I missed out on that. But I nailed THLD earlier. See, now going into THLD, we did beautiful on at 104, catching this volume spike right here, and it went to 114. And I did CPRX good also. So the people that came in the room, and I told you, I said, look, when it was at 842, there was a lady named Gazelle. And I said, here's the deal. I'm going to buy a bunch more shares because I'm already down $1,000. Okay? And the stock is either going to go to 1830 or it's going to go to 19. And it's going to happen pretty quickly. So right here, Gazelle didn't have the patience to let me impress her. I said, Gazelle, would you let me impress you if that happened and you would join the MOJO Day Trade room? And she's like, for sure, if that happened. So it happened, and then it happened 15 minutes after, not 5 minutes. So when it finally happened and we said, look, are you impressed? She said, it didn't happen in the time frame that you said. See you later. I need you trading with me like a hole in the head. I need you trading with me. I don't. Again, I don't need subscribers. I need quality, like-minded traders that are interested in trading for a living, that love longevity and see the marathon and not the sprint. So,
could I be more sorry?
We need lions, not gazelles. Well said.
Yes.
Yes. Nicely said. 6 people made $1 to $500. 5 people made $500 to $1,000. 1 person made money in the demo. Nobody lost money for real. 3 people lost money in the demo, and 3 people are observing and watching. Not a big audience today, but that's the factor of what happened. The people that lost money in the demo didn't lose a lot of money. Lost $32, lost $34, lost $97, lost $174, lost $285, lost $291. That's it. You got some other people made money in the demos. Let's see what they did. Made 30, made 644, made, my screen's frozen. I can't move it up higher than that. But people made money and people lost money, just like the demo said. Okay? Those were the people that lost. There's one other person on there. Maybe he's not listening. And a couple people made money. Maybe they're not on there either. That's it. So it's another patient waiting game and sitting. And UVXY again is either going to 1830 or back up to 1890. And I said it right here. Maybe it was a big announcement. Throw me under the bus. Someone threw me under. It's capitulating now. Boom time. JDST Hines. May I ask what triggers you into a position? See, this guy, Anthony. Hope you watched my video today, Anthony. This was Anthony sent me 4 emails to get into the room today. And he said, Mike, you know, I'm busy and I may not be able to answer you because that's why I banned him before. So I let him back in. And I answered his question. And then I tried speaking to him. He loves it. And he's gone. Now he's banned. Hey, Anthony, the only way you can come back to the room is if you actually join the team. You love it. You left so fast. So I'm doing a walk away. I said, look, it's either going higher or lower. Let's get the hell out of here. We'll walk away. Okay? Boom. Here we go. The walkaways do great. I'm going to do a walk away right now. I just want to show you that I manage risk for the traders, which is very important. Let me show you. Right here, go up on UV. Where is it, guys? Where's my thing that I told you all how to manage the risk in the trade? I'm looking, should be in blue. Where is it? This is when I only made $100 extra, I believe. Okay, I don't know. It's somewhere in here. But at that time, I said I know where it's either going here. It's either going to 8. The run will be bigger. This is when I was telling Giselle. And it's at my average is 63 with him. Average is 61. It was at 42.50. We were hoping it was going to go back up. And I said, look, it's either going to go to 18.30 or it's headed back to 19. And Trader Ray positively agreed me. Hall thought so as well. And boom, it went boom, 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 boom. And then I said, Gazelle, she said, okay. 3 minutes passed. She's like, impress me. It's going to be 18.80 in 5 minutes. She's like, okay, impress me. 3 minutes passed. It happened in 15 minutes. It went to 18.80. So I said, are you impressed? She's like, it took longer than you said. Are you kidding me? Kidding me? 1865. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see my lowest print. Who printed the lowest print? I printed at 58. It went to 55. I got 58, and now it's 64. You got 58.7. Beautiful. My average is 60 and change, and I'm up a nickel. Went from 63 to 60. Allen's average is 58.7109. Accords is 59, and it's at 1867 right now. Okay, so that's what we do. Nice job, everybody. Just got to tell you, it's Friday. The market's closed Monday for Labor Day. I want you to have a really enjoyable weekend. Been a great start of the month. It doesn't make a difference. We trade every day as a marathon. There are no goals for the month. There's nothing like that. I don't push to make things happen. I heard one of the other moderators from the room saying, I quote, I can get aggressive in the beginning of the month. I like to, so I develop a cushion, and it could be risky. Dude, you're going to push and go negative, so you have to come back and do something desperate to go positive? Incorrect. Okay? So every day is the same day. Nothing is different from day to day. So it just goes to show you, when you hear that from people that try to teach you, they have no freaking idea what they're doing. The only way they make money is by happenstance, by buying a stock and telling a lot of people to buy it, and then it runs up. Because I know from experience, the market makers see every single share. The only way you can get a stock to run is if you get a whole shitting bunch of people to buy it. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. They don't let you make money. 1869, guys. Here we go. Right back into the 70s. Mojo just bought it at 58 and 60 live for everyone to see. Now we're going to sell it again right here. Sell it. 69, 70, 71. The next is 74, 75, and 76. And then the next after that is 79, 80, 81. Okay? And then we'll regroup after that. You got to run, Thorn. Have a great long weekend, buddy. Peace. Okay? So people say my strategy
Spray paint the vegetables, dog food stalls with the beefcake pantyhose. Kill the headlights and put it.
is loserish, but if my strategy is loser, Alan, you're the biggest loser in the world. You know that? You're a freaking loser. Alan has a win streak going. Yep, no one joined the room. Not one person. But you know what's funny? Alan has a win streak going of how long? I'm going to try to find it. You can help me by typing it in. Who's in the room? As one of his words. Rough day, but win streak remains intact. And that was at 11:54. Now it's 1:02. The day is not so rough anymore. Little sandpaper buff, smooth that out. Now, Alan can teach us to be losers too. Correct. That is correct. Alan has not lost since November of 2014. 480 days. He is in November of 2016. It's impressive stuff. Hard to do. You have to be very blank. Don't fill in the answers. Blank, 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 and blank. It's the 5 pillars that have been taught in MOJO University to the pro traders. That's why Alan wins. Am I right or am I wrong? Yes or no? And there's no strain from it, and that is correct. Great job, everyone. You all have a fantastic weekend. Second trading day of the month, 18 left to go, minus the day off. Makes it 17 days left, 19 total trading days this month. Every time I stop the show, UV usually runs higher. Every time I close the day trade room, it's good for 30, 40 cents. No questions. So the first thing we're going to do is end the show.
Well, yes.
And then the next thing we're going to do is end the room.
Yes.
And then
Maybe.
it's going to jump 40 cents. I think
That's a firm maybe.
it's firm. Okay? I take my little dachshund, give him a little rub, get a little bark from going from Major. Yeah, we may have a little poker tournament over the Memorial Day, little action holiday. Give Major, get a little bark going. That's all we need. Watch. Major. There he goes. Good boy. Come on, buddy. One more time. Bark. Nice. Good boy. Look, when Major barks, shit goes up. Watch. See? So guys, thank you so much. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Have a great weekend.